We often find people using the two words mindfulness and awareness as synonyms for each other. At a practical level, there may not be much of a difference between the two, and it's quite okay. Because mindfulness is a kind of an awareness also. But then, if you want to go deeper, there is a huge difference between the two. To be simple, mindfulness includes the word mind, and therefore, in a sense, we are just working through the mind itself. It's kind of a psychological awareness. What you're feeling, what your thoughts are, what your emotions are. But awareness can be deeper. Awareness can go beyond the mind, and as yoga puts it, the real awareness begins, the real game begins only after the mind has been controlled. To get a very simple understanding of it, let us go through the Yoga Sutras. So in chapter number 1, the sutra number 2 defines yoga simply as Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Yoga is stopping the modifications of the chitta. What do you mean by chitta? Chitta is basically, or it can be seen simply as a personality complex coming from our mind and other aspects of our psychology. Sutra number 3 defines what happens when now we are in the state of chitta vritti nirodha. The sutra says, tada drashtu swarupe avasthanam. So when the mind complex or the chitta complex, chitta has been stopped or restrained, the seer is able to understand itself as and what it is. And this is what awareness is all about. Sutra number 4 again describes the effects when the chitta is not controlled, not restrained. Vritti sarupyam itaratra. So simply, when the mind is not controlled, we identify ourselves with whatever the mind shows us. We identify ourselves with the modifications. In a way, it is a warning which is given to us that if we are not controlling the modifications of our mind, of our chitta, it is the mind who's controlling us, and we now become a puppet in the hands of our mind and choose to see only what the mind is showing us. So if we see, awareness is a quite deeper word. It actually begins after the mind has been controlled. That is the only state where you can have an awareness about what you truly are or what truly your potentials could be.